Hey, Pete, you're probably looking for a job now, right?
I was thinking of something in photography. Perfect.
How to become a successful photographer. Get a camera. Mirrorless with an interchangeable lens, preferably 24 to 105 millimeter range. Purchase a cheap strobe light. Continuous light will work too, but for good jobs, a strobe is always needed.
Money? We've got to have money.
Find an attractive friend. If you don't have one, pay someone on Instagram who could use the work. Use a white wall in your home. Angle your strobe light to make their face look nice. High-angled from the most flattering side usually. Take a bunch of photos while complimenting them and remind them that they look great. Keep showing them the screen and confirm the photos are great. Go to your computer and pick the best photos. Touch up anything on the face they may not like. Do basic laying and color correction. Less is more for this. Send to them, and both of you post on Instagram and tag each other. More people should be interested on your new photo Instagram. Continue the process until you have photos of 10 different people with consistent quality. This will make a snowball effect. Give yourself an affordable rate so you can invest that into a bigger photo shoot. Use this money to hire an agency-level model, which will make your job even easier. Professional models already are skilled, so you just need to point the camera and click. Send these photos to the agency, and in an email request to test shoot with even more models. This will make your profile on Instagram look even more legit as a photographer. After 10 agency shoots, you are now an entry-level portrait photographer. This snowball will keep growing, and now you should aim for models with even more followers. Continue the tag and post method in hopes that they tag and post you too. This will then make your following bigger and make your reach bigger as a photographer. You should not have a steady flow of shoots, and you should be working with more agencies. When your portfolio has around 50 different talents of consistent quality portraits, you can now make a website and prepare to send emails to beauty brands. Beauty, makeup, and skincare brands all need portraits. If you want to stick to portraits, that's fine, and a good niche, but you can also start shooting outdoors with more lifestyle content, which could eventually attract work for clothing brands and lifestyle brands. Continue this process and construct a rate that reflects the quality of your services.
Okay. Yes. No.
Is that okay? Is that all right?
You're wicked. You got your mojo working. Let's get together.
You can now consider yourself a successful photographer.
Oh, yeah. Board and shoot. Lord.